Isang mapagpalang araw, my dear students. This video presentation is a lesson on mathematical language. So please allow me to share with you the screen, the PowerPoint presentation. All right. So I hope the screen is being flashed clearly from your end. Okay. So we will be discussing about characteristics of mathematical language. To start with, let me quote Jamieson in 2000, who said that once students understand how things are said, they can better understand what is being said, and only then do they have a chance to know why it is said. So mahalaga na malaman natin kung paano sinasabi ang isang bagay para maintindihan natin kung ano yung bagay na yon at kung bakit sinasabi yung bagay na yon. So, we have two objectives in this presentation. Number one is to discuss the language symbols and conventions of mathematics and explain the nature of mathematics as a language. So, the language of mathematics is the structure used by mathematicians to communicate mathematically. So, there are characteristics of the language of mathematics, and these are precise, being precise, concise, and powerful. The language of math is precise, meaning it is exact and accurate. So no trace of ambiguity. Malinaw siya. Concise, meaning short but comprehensive. Terse, kumbaga, maiksi lang, maliliit na mga salita ang ginagamit. And yet powerful, meaning it is potent and effective. So, let's discuss first, just a recall about English nouns and sentences. So, alam naman natin, a noun is a word to identify people, places, or things. And an English sentence is used to state complete thoughts. So, for example, Janice loves mathematics is a complete thought, no? So, it is a sentence. So, we have the nouns, Janice and mathematics, and the verb loves. So, malinaw na si Janice ay mahal niya ang mathematics. No? Mahal ni Janice ang mathematics. So, halimbawa ng mga nouns versus sentences. So, we compare nouns and sentences here. So, James is the name of her brother. So, James is the noun. The capital of the Philippines is Manila. So, Manila is the noun. And the national fruit of the Philippines is mango. So, James, Manila, and mango here are the subjects of the sentences. Now, about mathematical operation symbols with their expression. So, on the left side of the screen, so you have the operations involved, no? Addition with the symbol plus, subtraction with the symbol, multiplication, which can be symbolized by X or parentheses, or in some cases, the dot. So what are the word expressions? So when we see the total of, increased by, going up by, bigger by, women addition. So when we see these phrases, decreased by, diminished by, take away, reduced by, so we mean the operation is subtraction. And when we say the product of, multiply by, times as much as, we mean the operation multiplication. For division, we see words like divided by, the quotient of, the ratio of, equal amounts per. And finally, for equation, we see equals, is equal to. So when we say is equal to, we don't use S in equal, okay? So we never say is equals to, grammatically incorrect yun, no? So we say is equal to or equals to, exactly as, equivalent to. So yun yung mga indicators na equation yung meron tayo. So a mathematical expression, on the other hand, is a name given to mathematical object of interest. It does not state a complete thought. On the other hand, a mathematical sentence analogous to an English sentence expresses a complete thought, and it also asks about the truth of a sentence. Okay? So, i-compare natin ang mathematical expression sa mathematical sentence. So, halimbawa ng mathematical expression, 6. Paano siya magiging sentence? 6 is an even number. So, it has a complete thought now. 7 plus 6 is a mathematical expression. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So, that's a complete thought. So, it is a mathematical sentence. 5 times 6 is an expression, whereas 5 times 6 equals 30 is a mathematical sentence. And finally, the quantity 2 plus 3 minus 1 is an expression, whereas the quantity 2 plus 3 minus 1 equals 4 is a mathematical sentence. Let's give it a try. So, parang recitation or sit work, no, while you are viewing this video lesson. So you have to identify if the given here is an English noun, a mathematical expression, an English sentence, or mathematical sentences. So I'll just give this to you through the Google Classroom, and you may answer and write your answer on any ruled paper and upload the same in the Google Classroom. So for now, this ends the lesson for today, and I will stop sharing, and that ends the lesson. I hope the concept on mathematical language is clear to you, and you will be able to answer the exercises I will give afterwards. Okay? Bye for now, class.